Said she gon' lean with the pop, with the rock, with the drop, with it, put her back, do it, throw it back, that she toxic. Got me flying first class, now she moving too fast. She gon' make a man feel nauseous. Lean with the pop, with the rock, with the drop, with it, put her back, do it, throw it.
And welcome back to another weekly video. I'm so glad that you are here. If you have not seen my face before, my name is Cheryl Johnson and I run this fantastic channel called HeyGurlTV, and I would love for you to subscribe and be a part of the Johnson family. Okay. If you're into lifestyle, fragrance, or fashion, this is the place to be. So go ahead and push that subscribe button. Don't waste no time so you won't miss another video, and you won't do that if you hit that bell as well. So let's go ahead and get into the new, okay? Because the curls is curling. All right, you guys, so Ulta. I had to go because last week I did a few empties and I needed to replace a couple of things. So the first thing I got was not a replacement. This was a purchase, just a new buy. I was looking for like a skin oil to help with massaging and doing my facial exercises. So after extensive research, it's a lot of face oils, because I'm from an era where, girl, we didn't have no Sephora. So you guys got so many things to choose from. Sometimes it's hard to make a decision because there's so many things to choose from. But I narrowed it down to the Bio Oil Skincare. And this is a great oil. I've tried this before. I got a little baby one. Look at that, it's so cute. Look how cute that is. Look how cute that is. That's so cute. I got a small one just to kind of test it out. But yeah, this Bio Oil Skincare Oil, it helps with scars, stretch marks, and it helps to even out your skin tone, okay? So yeah, it's for aging and dehydrated skin. It has purslane oil in it, which reduces the thickness of the formulation and makes it easier to absorb in the skin. And that's what you need. You don't want stuff just sitting. You want it to actually go into your pores and actually do something, okay? And this little bottle was about $7.99. I thought that was a great deal, so I went ahead and picked that one up. All right, you guys, so the next one is a replacement, and the Super Peptide Serum by Good Molecules. I love this. My sister is an esthetician out of Woodland, California, and I will leave her information down in the description. If you're having issues with acne, she is like really doing everything she can to help people of color, especially. They help us have beautiful skin. So if you are in need of some acne treatments or advice, please reach out to my sister. She can help you. And she told me that I needed a peptide when I'm under the LED light. So I decided to go with this one. It is affordable. It's a great product. I have no complaints. And yeah, can I get it out of here? Something like that, y'all. Let's see. But yeah, this is what it is. And yeah, so if you're using an LED light, that is what you should be using under the red light, blue light, whatever color light you're going to be using. You need a peptide, not like a retinoid or HAA. None of that kind of stuff you need to be under that light with, just like a peptide. That's all she told me. That's all I have to say about that. And moving on to the next, okay? So, bam! It is white toenail season. And y'all, I don't know about y'all, but that big toe, it don't always be looking right. You know, I'll be bumping it and everything else. And you really need to have a really great big toe if you're going to be having your feet out. And for me, I like to either get it coated with acrylic or wear a press on top, just to ensure that my toes look their best. And Kiss is a great product. I love them. I've been wearing their nails for years, especially during COVID, so you can't go wrong. I think Kiss are the best nails on the market, and the glue is amazing. So yeah, if you have any comments about that, or if you use Kiss nails, please go ahead and push that subscribe button or leave a comment. And you guys, let me see what else I got. I got the Fenty Pro filter. Now, Uche has the matte, but by me being of a particular age, I was just checking because you know, I'm gonna tell you right up on me. But yeah, being a particular age, I don't know if I could do a matte. My skin is already kind of dry enough. That's why I'm trying different things to help put the hydration back into my skin, because when you're going through menopause, you have issues with dry skin, okay? So I'm really excited to try this one. And let's take a look at her. I'm so excited. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. It looks like, I love nude colors, and it's just beautiful. It's almost like a piece of art. All right, you better go, Riri. Yeah. But yeah, I'm so excited to have this part of my collection. I really wish that I could do like her whole line as far as like her complexion products, but it just didn't work out for me. I went with the Rem by Ariana Grande. I love that, but it's a little light because I got my winter color at the beginning of pretty much spring and summer. So I got a little color, and I had to go back to my Estee Lauder, and that was W51. So that is close to my color. I don't have any foundation on. I just have like a little concealer, the one size. I have some bronzing powder, that new palette that I got from MAC, a little lip gloss, lip liner, a little eyeshadow, eyeliner, and you know, little eyebrows. That's all I did today, y'all. I'm not even gonna play because I'm supposed to be going to work. I'm supposed to be at work right now, so I'm just kind of stalling. But last but not least, I was able to pick up this palette from MAC. It says it's a soft focus, light sweep, warm light, shadester, shadowy, definitive, studio fix, sculpt, and shape contour palette. Girl, that is a name for you. I love this. I needed to have like powders to set my contour, like cream. So Uche uses like her cream, and then she goes over it to set it with a contour, a contour powder to set the contour cream. Y'all, when I get into my makeup tutorial for you guys later on in the video, I'm telling you, it all works together. So I'm really excited to have this. Even the lighter colors, she uses some of like the lighter colors to go like up in this area right there. So I'm really excited. I am wearing some of the shade. This is just powder, girl. That's just powder. Do you see the color in that, in the definition of that jawbone? You know what I'm saying? I didn't have to do that. Like, it's there. So this is how I achieve that look with this powder. I will go more into detail with this palette. I'm so blessed and grateful to have this from MAC. Yes, so excited. All right, you guys.
Said she gon' lean with the pop, with the rock, with the drop, with it, put her back,